Hello everyone, it's me, Simeon Tech, and I have purchased a phone lot again. This time around, how do I open it? It comes unsealed. Thank you. Yeah. Have tracking and Pahonies. So let's bust the Pahonies out. Like that. One hiding down here. And we got a Galaxy S4. And by the looks of it, he has a bad one, which is bad. So we need more Galaxy S4s with broken displays, and it's a value edition, for fuck's sake. It's the worthless one as well. Who would have thought? Because you can do this quick. This is a J7. Actually, gonna bother. Screen has been replaced. Someone has really hit the hot back button really hard. Dead correct. Nope. Whoa. Screen is working, but it's an LCD business instead of OLED like it's supposed to be, which fine, yeah, that's why they hit the hot back button hard, because it was like sky high compared to where the actuator bit is. They recognize that you touched it. But yeah, I guess it's workable enough. J5, not J7, damn. So maybe it's supposed to be a liquid crystalline. So by the fact that I can find the home button under the glass, and it just died, the battery is crap. Great. Let's go. Well, that is sticky. Sticky, I don't want it. Get out. Why is this here? Did you break the home one? Is it at least functional or something? I can instantly tell that this J3 has a fucked up OLED. Great, get out. About this one, I'm not sure. Okay. Look at the scratches on the. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. Holy shit, it's Chinese. They. Man, you believe that the OLED here is cooked. Which, yeah, not great. Take your sticky back out. Now here's a fake ass Galaxy S5. Yeah. Is that a hole for a silence? Is this working? Because at least then it'll be funny. Hey, the spicy pillow syndrome. SMG 900. It's like an S1 Yeah, there was supposed to be a stylus, but he didn't give you a stylus. Because why would you? And the flashlight is here, not here. So do be careful. God. This one is cheap and normal. So these are actual clicky buttons, not just touch. Showing me any signs of life, unfortunately. Okay, whatever. Next up is Samsung. I'm not sure. The power button left the chat. In terms of its model number, I can't make sense of that. Is it a J5? Is it a J something? I'm not sure. No, it's liquid crystal mess. That is also cracked. So I guess we're not gonna find out. Get out. I don't know the cable is gonna be in the white till I get a new microphone thing. USB pass-through machine. Okay, the screen's. The glass is broken, this thing. Yeah, I'm not surprised. She's worn or something, I believe. S1 Plus. Hey, back to yeah. I wonder what's the associated, like, most of this is junk. Oh. CA5. Battery spicy. I the back of it to find like that. Camera bump missing for some reason. This is broken? Not surprised at all. This is done. Stop sliding. This is Type C and I don't have anything that does that. Alright, and family. Alright. So it may work. I'm not sure what this is supposed to say. Got an edge. Match. And a cracking edge. This is J5. I know this one. Someone try to clean this up in there. Yeah, I'm not surprised he's doing this, considering what happens to Fortnite. Right. This is J7, right? Not the 6-edge flash, so the board might be fine. No. Galaxy Green negative. That is a big chunk. Big. Yeah, sticking. There was a war or anything. Someone's been in there for us. This is Spatola. This is a 20 phone. Qualcomm 3G CDMA. Wait, CDMA? Yeah, that's the phone though. I'm not sure what kind of mini it is. I'm not sure. Oh wait, never mind. This has a thing on the back that fucking pop socket stand type of majiggy. This is not a stand either. So it's just useless. Now, why do people have one of these? Yeah. The young grade. It's a T. Forgot to play. Yay. Block screen. Even did anything. I'm not sure. Get your pop socket music out here. J1 is damage. You see that here. I guess. One liquid type of, or an adhesive type of damage. Get it? There's nothing. That's fine, I guess. Got a J5. Judging by this, I think it's fine. The panel is probably not fine. I'm not sure. We have another Galaxy S5. This time, though it's not fine because someone clicked the home button too hard. Click it lightly, you don't need to smash it with a fucking hammer. And this time it's not Chinese at least. Oh, that's something. And that's another J5. Placed fine. Don't move something in the corner. Great. yeah, battery too. And this thing does nothing. Alright. You hope that at least the board on this one works, because I have like 2 good desk LCD displays. Both of them have cooked boards. It looks like it has a good battle, but something we can go in there. And I think it's maybe in the board, which is shit. And yeah, I guess Wrestling 1 team. I like it. There's a big chance it's good. That's my attempt to do that. But I don't know. Yeah, I guess that was the phones. I'm not spending a whole half hour in this whole shit this time around, so my headphones have ejected, and see ya.